What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we go any further, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. That being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day, guys. First, we will look at the market performance for the past 24 hours to see where everything is going. And then we'll look at the prices in a little bit of details. Like I said, we need to do this every day. I don't know about you guys, but I do that every day. It helps me a lot in when we talk about making decisions, whether I want to enter a trade, exit a trade, or whatever I'm doing. It helps me a lot. And after we do all that, we will check on our positions. Look at the way that our positions they're doing. Actually, I'm going to show you my positions, and then you can compare with yours to see whether we are going up, down, going left, right, or whatever that is going on. Okay, so now before we get into that, guys, I mean, a lot of guys like, okay, what are you doing to, find these entry points? Guys, finding entry points is not, I would say finding the entry point is just, is 20%, okay, of you making the money. It's just the 20% of it. The most important part, okay, is finding the right coin to trade. Is finding the right coin. Money guys will be like, okay, to be safe enough, a lot of people tell you to be safe enough, just trade Bitcoin. Okay, and yeah, which is correct. Trade Bitcoin to be safe enough, and that was before Casper came out. That's, yeah, you could trade Bitcoin. You only have to know how to time it. If you time it right, trust me, you will make a lot of money. That's why I usually tell you guys, I don't trade on the daily basis. And that's another thing that is different. Okay, another thing different is how you trade. Do you do it daily, or do you just set in a long-term trade? For me, I like to set a long-term trade. Very, very rarely, very rare that I don't normally do the daily trades. Very rarely you will see me doing it. Okay, because, like, first of all, okay, let's just say I'm choosing to trade Casper. Like I told you guys, for me, I want to make a lot of money on these leverage trades. Therefore, I choose money printers, and by money printers, I choose things that I choose coins that are going to go up in value, and they are going to make millionaires. Therefore, I choose King Casper. Is number one, because Casper, there is no way you can't go wrong with Casper. Choose Quant because there's a lot of development coming behind Quant. And then you choose Jasmine. The reason I chose Jasmine is because there is a lot of hype behind Jasmine, not just by the community, but a lot of hype behind Jasmine by the entire country, Japan, by the narrative that they are chasing or what they are trying to achieve. So yeah, that is why I chose Jasmine. So let's start one by one. Casper, already told you guys, it's nothing new. You guys already know. All right, sorry about that. As I was saying, like, you got to start with King Casper. Like I said, Casper, hands down, you cannot go wrong with Casper. Because Casper, guys, I just begin to smile every time I think about how much money you can make just by first investing or trading Casper. Today we're talking about trading Casper. Right now, if you check something, look at how Binance usually lists their coins on a spot. Okay, Binance usually come out of nowhere. They don't tell people. Kraken did say something, but me, what I do is, like, I try to track their movements. I try to track their wallets to see. Binance, we know they had a perpetual. They are the first people to come out to start trading Casper on leverage. Therefore, the fees that they've been accumulating, they've been using those to buy Casper, getting ready for their spot listing. And then all of a sudden they came out and opened up a mining pool. Therefore, they now have fees from the mining pool. They also have fees from leverage trading. And guys, they've been buying Casper left and right. The things that nobody been talking about it, nobody been saying much about it. But you can go and you can go see how they are doing stuff. Because if you go to cas.fyi, I don't have much time. I would have gone right there and I'll show you guys. Cas.fyi, you can see the wallets, who is holding what and who is doing what. You can see it right there. You will be able to see come on, and you'll be able to see what Binance has been doing. Guys, I think Binance is going to list Casper not long after Kraken, or they can even do it before. Who knows? Because Binance has always sit there and surprise people out of nowhere. And Coinbase, you guys, you already know it. Coinbase got called out the other day by the Casper Industrial Initiatives. They got called out. And they came out plain. You got to read in between the lines. They are going to list Casper either this year or towards the beginning, the first month or first quarter of next year. So if you look at those things, then you understand something. This thing is about to run. Therefore, find you an entry, and I'd rather have it on the long term, like long-term trading versus the headache of trying to, close and trying to find another entry and stuff like that. I don't deal with that. The same thing we go with Quant. For months and months now, I've been telling guys, you got to look at Quant. You've got to look at Quant, because Quant is acting a little bit strange. You got to look at Quant. Market dumps, Quant always go in the same level, $58, $59, and bounce right back up. The weekly, you can look at it. And then you look at all these nations are talking about being regulatory compliance. The United Kingdom has started. The BRIC nations, they had their meetings, and after the meetings, everything came out live. You have now the BRIC Pay. Before you know it, we'll be talking about the M-Breach like working like flawlessly. And again, you will tell me, yeah, go to XRP, go to Chainlink and do this and do that. Guys, yeah, you're going to make you some gains with XRP and all that stuff. But I think Quant will make you more money. Why? Because, come on. Why? Is because M-Breach is in direct competition with the SWIFT system. XRP is just banking, which again, when you look at it, XRP has a lot of competition versus Quant. Quant only has one competition, which is M-Breach versus SWIFT system. And as time goes by, the BRIC nations, they are all growing more and more and more and more. They keep going more and more nations. And what will happen when these nations start to buy more Quant, that because they are trying to use the technology, because that's the whole process. For you to use the M-Bridge, for you to use the overledger, for you to use whatever that is built on Quant, you need Quant. You need to stake Quant. So yeah, it is coming. And guys, everybody, you call me crazy. That's fine. for me, when I tell you that Quant will be one of the most, if not the most expensive token in the cryptocurrency industry. You will see it. And it has already started, because I'm going to show you what price did exactly like I was talking about yesterday. I will show it to you. And then you go, the next slide on, you go into Jasmine. Again, I told you guys, for you to trade, you just need these few things, not rocket science. Moving average, the moving ribbon, okay, MACD, RSI, and then public sentiment. Those are the things that you need. Because, like now, let me give you an example. Meme coins, okay? Why do you think meme coins pump? Because people think, oh, Pepe is going to go to $1, and everybody start to jump in like crazy. The same situation is going with Jasmine. The Japanese government, they are into Jasmine like I am into my girl. You understand? That is how the Japanese government is into Jasmine. Banking is going to be established on Jasmine. The AI is established on Jasmine. And on top of that, you know how they support themselves more. The companies from Asia, you have Samsung, you have Panasonic, you have Apple. All these big giants, okay, they are all in with Jasmine. So again, I usually tell you guys this: follow the money. You can't go wrong with that. Follow the money. Okay, Jasmine is a shit coin. Okay, I agree with you, but you have to ask yourself, if it is a shit coin, why is Sony, Apple, Panasonic, all of them, why are they putting their money into Jasmine? See? Monkey see, monkey do. You understand? That's the same situation. If they're putting their money in there, I don't know why, but hey, I'm gonna put my 1 cent in it. Let's see what happens. Okay, circle back. The same goes to Casper. You see people bashing Casper. The price is not moving. The crash is not going anywhere. But you got big money. Again, I told you guys, just have to watch what they're doing. That's why I like Warren Buffett, guys. I don't like, it's not because he's smart or rich or whatever. I like Warren Buffett because you have to listen to the words that come out of that guy's mouth. You will learn a lot. Again, people busy bashing Casper because everything is pumping and Casper is not pumping. Guys, Casper is still on testnet, and I will keep on repeating it over and over and over again. Casper is still on testnet. And if you're doubting Casper, Marathon Digital, the only company that only mines Bitcoin, is putting their money into mining Casper. Okay, that's number one. I know you've heard it a lot, but I'm trying to put you into that, how can I say, I'm trying to point you into that direction to start thinking that way. Grayscale, okay, Grayscale, they are not going into Solana. They are not going into Ethereum. They are not going into Bitcoin. They are looking at Casper. Why? That's the first thing you got to ask, okay? If they're looking at it, they got experts, right? They got people working for them, researchers, everything. So they must have come to a conclusion. So if they're putting their money into it, why are you not going to do it? And I'm telling you, a lot of people are waiting. Oh, yeah, we want to wait. Let's see what BlackRock is doing. Guys, BlackRock is already positioned themselves with Casper. Why? Because they own, if not the entire Marathon Digital, they probably own half of it. And guess what Marathon Digital is doing? Mining Casper. So BlackRock is in it already. And all these big companies that missed out on Bitcoin, they're beginning to wake up to it. Like, okay, you know what? There is something out there better than Bitcoin. And that is the king, Casper. That's where we all going. And yet, when I say Casper to $10, many people laugh. Give me a chance. Wait until the smart contract, stable coins, everything is added to Casper. Again, follow the money. We talked about it the other day. The carbon credit industry, which is like $1 trillion market cap assets. Why are they not putting it on Bitcoin? Why are they not using Solana or Tron or whatever? Why are they using Casper? You gotta do that, put one-on-one together. These guys, they are not there to go and waste money. They are there to make money. And now you want to get in a project way before they even get in it. You understand? So if you get into the way before they get in it, when you get into it way before the big money, you are going to make you a lot of money, guys. And that is where we're going with this. Now, you make an investment for just now. That's okay for you. For me, I'm in Casper long term. Therefore, that's why when I chose the coins I'm trading both on spot and on leverage, I chose Casper, I chose Quant, and I chose Jasmine. Because like now, we are going to start. This is going to be the first bull run for Casper. Price is going to go up. Yes, I'm not going to sell no coins on my spot. I'm just going to take profit from my leverage trading and keep going from there. Understand? So yeah, you have to know those things. You don't just start trading just because the RSI said so and this said so or else. You'll be trading like shit coins and you'll be losing a lot of money. You need to choose the money printers if you really, really want to make money in this run. Therefore, guys, that's the reason why I chose Casper, Quant, and Jasmine in this my millionaire journey for 2024, 2025. After this cycle is over with, we would then go back to the drawing board, reconsider. Do I continue with Casper on leverage? Because for long term, 10 plus years, I want to hold Casper, because I'm telling you guys, Casper is going to do better than Bitcoin, and you guys are going to see it start to happen. Anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. So first, let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. Right there, crypto bubble. We go straight into here. Excuse me right quick. I need to bring this out. Okay, first we start with King Casper, KAS, Casper. As you can see, for the past hour, Casper is up 0.1%, 3% up on the day, 8.8% up on the week, 14.9% up on the month, and 8% up on the year. We are still sitting at the market cap of $3.57 billion, and the total volume traded for the past 24 hours sitting at $113.7 million. Now, drum roll. Drum roll, guys. Let's go to QNT, a coin that a lot of people love to hate instead of loving it. Now, look at Quant. For the past hour, Quant this is funny, guys. Past hour, Quant is up. Quant is down 2.9%. On the past day, guys, look at the daily. On the past day, Quant is up 32.2%. On the week, Quant is up 38.3%. On the month, Quant is up 33.6%. And on the yearly, yeah, we're still down 13%. And I always told you guys, pay attention to that number, because very soon the yearly is going to turn green. You see that? Yesterday we were sitting at 40-something%. Today we are sitting at 13.1%. Look at the market cap. Market cap is up $1.1 billion. And the 24 hours trading volume is up $230 million. You see that? I was telling you guys that Quant will surprise you. You will not know. It will catch a lot of people with their pants down. I told you guys that. Now look at it. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmy. JAS. Jasmy coin. If you look for the past hour, Jasmy is down 1.4%. On the day, Jasmy is up 9.2%. On the week, Jasmy is up 7.8%. On the month, Jasmy is up 16.3%. And on the year, Jasmy is up 339%, sitting at a market cap of $1.09 billion and a 24 hours trading volume sitting at $218 million. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? That's what I was saying. Patience, guys. You guys are about to see these coins. They are money printers. They are big money printers. Now let's go look at the price in more details. Okay, let me pick out my trading view right quick. Trading view, we're going to start with Casper. Casper, there's not much to be said other than, guys, look at this. Let me zoom out a little bit and then look at it. You are under 1 hour. Okay, the same thing I've been telling you guys since yesterday. I told you guys, Casper, what we are doing, we broke above the moving ribbon and the moving average, both together pointing upwards. Okay, once we point upwards, this price we are going to climb. I told you guys this yesterday. Is going to go here. This is the target at that 15.2 to 15.4. Let's see if we can break it. Okay, if we get up there with enough momentum, enough power, we are going to break it, turn this into support, and keep going. It is inevitable that we are going to do this. Why? Because the Kraken listing is coming up and the volume is going to be off the charts. You're about to see Casper go up to all-time high and even price discovery sooner than a lot of people think. So if you go to the 4 hourly, see, just to confirm, see, 4 hourly is doing exactly the same. I told you guys we were in this triangle. We've touched twice. That's the second time there, and down we have also touched twice, like, which is one here, that's two here. Now we're going to try touching again. The 19th is almost here, and man, Casper is getting ready for it. Okay, so now let's go right quick, because this, guys, this is how you make money. Now, I wouldn't recommend you entering a trade right now. I will say you should wait. Okay, wait. If you want to enter a trade, wait for the price to go up here. See what we're doing. If it breaks above it, it will come back down to retest. When it retests, that's when you enter your trade. Or you wait. If you get rejected here, it will come down somewhere here and you enter your trade. Always look at the ribbon and the moving average, okay, before you enter any position. Now, let's go look at Quant right quick. Like I always say, the coin a lot of people like to hate. So, shit, excuse my language. There, bam, there you go. Do you guys remember my video? I was telling you guys this was going to happen, okay? I said it not once, not twice, not 3 times. I kept telling you guys, this is what was going to happen. And everybody kept laughing at me. People kept saying like, no, Quant is going down to 5 cents or whatever. And I kept telling you guys, that is not happening. Quant is prepping up. Okay, now, if you see, the price action today is very, very peculiar. First of all, again, it's a good thing it broke out, but the only thing I'm not like about this is that the moving average is still way down here, and well, the ribbon is somehow, so even if we break back down, it can always get support on the ribbon. But the good thing, is not just bad news. The good thing here is that we broke above this major resistance. You guys remember I told you guys that $85, go back to my videos, you will see it. I'll tell you, we have a major resistance at 65, at 85, 104, $115. Now, I'm a Casper Max. Everything looks like Casper now. Quant broke above that $65 resistance, shot all the way up, broke the 85. Now we are forming a bull flag. That's what it is forming right now. So for me, yes, it still have a chance of coming back down to retest the ribbon. Okay, if it breaks through it, then yeah, we might come back down, which is very unlikely. But I think that what will happen right now, we're on the weekend. This is going to probably come touch there, use this now as support before we can decide. But which is like, it is more likely that Quant is about to take off going higher than what it is right now. So yeah, I told you guys, where are my Quant haters at? Hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on. What are my Quant haters at? Can y'all, hey, y'all there? Come on. What are people that hate on Quant? Anyways, now let's go back again. And now let's look at the 4-hourly chart. Okay, I'm gonna show you the 4-hourly chart. See, 4-hourly is doing exactly like I said. Now this resistance, now the candle has not closed yet. That's why I said that's the only problem I have. So we're gonna wait how the price is gonna end up during the day. I would love the candle to close above this $85. Okay, use that, turn that into support, and then we go. Because the higher the time frame, the better. So yeah, we are doing pretty good on this. Because look, the moving ribbon is still way down here. The moving average is still way down here. That is something I don't like. Okay, unless price can close this and try to delay action until these two indicators get somewhere in the middle or even meet it up there, then we will be safe. But so far, no, I don't like that situation. But anyways, now if you look at it on the daily, look on the daily. Now, again, everybody will tell you different. And I always tell you guys everything that I do. Look at that. The daily, we are breaking above the moving average, which is like very fantastic. Hopefully, the day closes above the moving average. If it does, that will be fantastic. Right now, look at this. The resistance, we got rejected by it, okay? So I'm expecting this to close above the moving average. If it does, oh my God, Quant is going to take off even harder than we think. Now, you see this? Again, we still have the same situation. Look at that. Ribbon still red. It's about to turn green. And I was telling you guys yesterday, you have to put, if you're gonna enter your trades, that's the time for you to do it. And again, if you look, this is just noise. I will say it in every of my videos. Look, this is just the beginning of it. This is the weekly. Okay, this is the weekly chart. All this you're looking is just the beginning of it. We're about to have this week. We need it to close, okay, to close above that $75 for it to continue with the bullish momentum. Now, if you zoom out, okay, zoom out, like I said, look at that. That is just beautiful, guys. Look at that. You have to know the prices. Everything you're looking at right now is aiming at coming up there on the first line of the Fibonacci retracement, which is $125. Guys, that is where all this noise you're watching right now, that is where it is going. Okay, so yeah, let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Although Jasmine is it's a different story. Like I told you guys, for me, I want Jasmine. Let's see, JAS. I want Jasmine to break that 2.3 cents, because that 2.3 cents is a very big headache. Has been like, man, really messing up my day. I am very bullish on Jasmine, but until I see Jasmine breaking that 2.3 cents, which is this one right here, I'm not going to be that happy. Okay, now let me go this way. The good thing about this, because like I told you guys, you always have to be able to spot something better. Right now, Jasmine is forming a W. Look at this. 1, try, 2, try. Now we are going to try again to try to see if we break it. If you are not in a trade yet, because I was telling you guys when the price was back down here, this was a very good way to enter a trade, because we came in, tested it, and we saw the ribbon start to curve up. And I'm telling you guys, it's a good way to enter a trade. But if you're not in a trade yet, do not FOMO in. Okay, you gotta wait for price to decide. If we break above the 2.3 cents, it is going to come back down. Use that as a support, and then yes, you can enter a trade after that. Or maybe we'll get rejected, come back to retest the moving average, and then the moving ribbon. That is when you enter your trade. Not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I would have been doing if I was not in a trade right now. Okay, so there's not much to be said on Jasmine. I am watching this price action right now to see what it does. After that, then yes, I'm gonna give you guys the next update on it. Anyways, now let's go back right here. Let's go back here again. So again, guys, I do not condone leverage trading. Okay, excuse me. I do not condone leverage trading, because you can, man, that ticket to Rec City, they will serve it to you on a gold plate if you leverage trade without experience. So yeah, please, you got to practice turning $5 into 10, 10 into 20, 20 into 50. Once you are good at it, then yes, the links are below. Okay, I do have Bydfi, Phemex, and Margex. Use those links, sign up, get free money. Guys, when you get that free money, they're giving anything between $3,000 to $10,000 right now. Once you get the free money, start trading. You can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. I don't really care. All I care about is that you make money. And then again, 6 to 8 months from now, we will be celebrating. Okay, so that's what I care about. Anyways, now let's go look at my trades right quick. Okay, my trades first of all on Bydfi, which I recommend for beginners. Please use Bydfi if you are just starting your journey into trading. So let's go look at this. On Bydfi, you guys know yesterday I was down, I think $11,000, something like that. I was. Today it is it's going to surprise a lot of people, because yesterday I was that down. Today I am down $15,000. Okay, look at this. This is just amazing. $15,000. So if you look at my contract now, drum roll, drum roll, because on my contracts you have my Casper. Okay, I am still down 35. I'm still down 30%, which is 1,200. Look at my quant, guys. I am up 61%, which is $4,400. Again, guys, I am a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. Okay, 50x. Let me do this right quick. I do trade at 50x. See, that is why when the market move in either direction, my positions move really fast. Therefore, yeah, please don't do like me if you don't have experience. So, but quant is moving. I am up today 61%. Wow, that is a good feeling. Now let's go look at my let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Or my Phemex. Now you see, let me sorry, not this one. I want to see Phemex, Phemex right here. Let's load my Phemex right quick. You guys remember yesterday too, I was down, but looking at stuff today on my Phemex, I am also up almost $16,000. So I'm up $30,000 on both Phemex and Margex and Bydfi together. That is just amazing, guys. Everything is just starting to move. Now, if you look at my contracts, okay, on my contracts, on my Jasmine, I am still down because I'm telling you guys, you want to see how the price action breaks. I am still down almost 3%. It's moving pretty fast, guys. You guys remember I was down yesterday like what, 30% or something like that? Today I am down 3%, which is $400. Amazing. And now you have Casper. I am still Casper down 21%, which is 1,200. Again, I am a very aggressive trader. As you can see, I trade at 50x. That is why when the market moves in either direction, my position moves very aggressively. Now, that's funny. I told you guys, round 4, money. That's what's happening. So now let's go look at Margex right quick. Margex is my new exchange that I'm trading in. Excuse me, I gotta pause this and log in right quick. Give me a second. Okay, sorry about that. Now that we're logged in here, you can see that on my Casper, I have 7 trades. You guys already know here. Right here, the first trade, I am up 147%, which is 1,400. The second trade on Casper, I'm also up 147, which is 1,400. On my SUI trade, we are doing pretty good on SUI, although he's taking a breather right now. On SUI, I am up 189%, which is $1,800. And on my the next Casper trade, which is the third trade, I am up 426%, which is 4,200. The fifth trade is also a Casper trade. I am up 144%, which is 2,800. And last, you can see here, the sixth trade, I am up 172%, which is 7,300. And last but not the least, I am also up 172%, which is 7,300. Again, these are trades that I'm trying to keep open to the top of the bull run, as you can see right here. So yeah, this is just amazing. This is something like we're here to make money. Like I always say, guys, look at that. Opportunity comes but once, but you want to sit over there and take it. Don't wait for nobody to tell you different. Okay, that's what we are doing in this. Okay, let's go back here in my camera right there. Yeah, opportunity comes but once. You don't want to sit over there and let people tell you different. Okay, now you see the opportunity, you get in and you start making money, because this is how it is done. Me, I don't wait for price confirmation. I just make, once I see it, I jump in. Okay, just like now. You guys remember, if back here again, these last 2 trades, you guys remember, I was like telling you guys like, yeah, I see potential right here. So I started taking them, and many people like, okay, what are you doing? I was like, no, I'm keeping these trades open, okay, for the long term. Let's see, because if Casper starts to get that momentum, okay, like let's say if I take this first trade, for example, okay, this first trade, for example, if Casper goes all the way to $3, this trade will make me $218,000. See, that's the opportunity I am looking for. And now let me take the last trade. Let me see, the last trade at the bottom. If I take this one, for example, the same thing. If Casper goes to $3, this thing will make me $627,000. See what I'm talking about? And again, the opportunity is also there with SUI, because a lot of people looking at SUI differently. Okay, if you look at SUI, for example, let me show you something. Let's say this run, if SUI goes all the way up to $70, or let's say $75, okay, at $75, this trade will make me $227,000. You understand? So yeah, this is what we are here for. This is my millionaire journey. We are trying to make as much money as possible. That's what we're here for. As you can see, everything looks so beautiful. Just watching it happen. It's like, look at this. It is raining money. Understand? And the bull run has just kicked its fourth gear. After the year, we're about to see Bitcoin go up probably to 100,000 and take a correction. I think it's going to correct all the way back down to where we are right now, from 100 to probably 90,000 or 87,000, and range a little bit before taking off again to the point that it will take it up to 160 to 180,000. But yeah, this is what we're doing in this my millionaire journey. This is what we're doing. Okay, so that's it, guys. There you have it. Okay, when you choose your trade, you have to choose the money printers. Don't just trade a coin because it's just the coin. You have to choose the coin that is going to make you a lot of money. And for me, like I said, I look at the potential of these coins. Casper, for example, I can see Casper already squaring up at that number 2 in the cryptocurrency charts. I can see Casper there already. So yeah, Quant has already started. I told you guys Quant was not going to take long. It has already started. But let's see. Now, the only one lagging behind is Jasmine. And again, Jasmine, I am very bullish, but I want to see Jasmine going above that 2.3 cent. Because once we break that, next target is going to be 4.5 cents. And once we break that, the next target is going to be up there, 10 cents, 9 to 10 cents. And then golden pocket, 15 cents. There is a lot of money to be made. But hey, if you're scared, go to church. Here, we're here to make money. That's what we're here to do. Anyways, that being said, guys, thank you. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please, you got to subscribe, guys. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I read all your comments and I try to respond to all of you. Okay, I want to know what you think about what we just discussed. Okay, and also don't forget to share, because the more you share the video, the more people with millionaire minded attitude like you and me see these videos, and then we can exchange ideas. You never know what you learn. There's a lot you will learn. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you again for watching my videos, and until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.